G'day, Jake from DLF Seeds. I'm standing in front of a boosted maize crop here in Tinamba in Gippsland in the MID. This crop was planted in late November around the 23rd, using it as part of a pasture renovation program. We really like this product into that situation because it allows us to get in late and then allows us to get it off. So this will be coming off within probably the next week, and what that will allow us to do is to get the next pasture phase in on time, which won't stop our autumn and winter grazing, which will allow us to grow more tonnes than some of the later varieties might accumulate over that time. But what it's actually doing is we're putting the rest of that yield into pasture, and we'll actually gain more by grazing that pasture at the right times.